ContactCoCoDenise, and we are on a road trip to Myrtle Beach. We are here in the parking garage about to go up to the hotel room. So let's go. We're on the 12th floor and I'm going to give you guys a quick tour just so you can see the layout of the room. See you guys in a minute. We are headed to dinner. We just arrived at the original Benjamin's Calabash seafood. The last time we were here, the food was really good, so we are going to try it again. This restaurant has unlimited crab legs, so if you like seafood, make sure you stop by. If not, I would just skip it.
Oh, stupid. You didn't get me.
Hey. Thank you. Hello. Look at this shit.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me?
So I dropped the D's off and I'm headed to the outlet by myself because they didn't want to come. Now the outlets here, it says they close at 9 and it's 6:23, so I should have like 2.5 hours. So let's get the shopping. Ching ching. Headed in H&M. Y'all look at this. This is a cute little puffer. $24.99. That's cute. They have this in black also. These are so cute. Oh, look. $5. Absolutely love this. $6.99, but it's too short. This is $9.99. These are $12.99. I think that's too big.
Why keep pausing like I do? Why keep pausing like I do? There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off.
All I saw was the wave.
There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away.
at the beach for about 5 hours. Dewan went and got us some food. So he went to some place that we'd never heard of. And you know, I've been to Myrtle Beach like 40 times. 40 plus times.
Places in Myrtle Beach you ain't heard of, so don't try to play me.
So he went to this place called Berkey's, and he brought me back a romaine salad with ranch dressing. One, I have never eaten a romaine salad. Number two, I don't eat ranch dressing. So I'm like, what's going on with that? So he says, oh, that's the best that they had. And that was the best out of the worst. So that's why he brought it to me. You had a fried bologna sandwich.
And it was delicious.
DJ had hot dogs and fries, which he ate, he smashed his. But they had hot food. So when he came, I just knew he was bringing me some hot food. And the food was cold. He brought me a cold romaine salad.
First off, she can't eat nothing. So the person that can't eat nothing probably should go when it's time to go pick food, because you can only eat 4 things out of the 15 billion choices. Second, I was nice enough to ask.
I got married so my husband can get stuff for me.
Yeah.
So I asked her what she wanted, but 2 places she picked were closed. And third, I am not going to Chick-fil-A or Zaxby's on vacation. We eat that enough. I don't want neither one of them.
Y'all, we've been out here all day long. The sun is setting. DJ's still in the water playing with the sand and the water, and we're just hanging out. We're about to leave though because it's getting dark, and we will be doing this again tomorrow. We just finished eating dinner, and we have the Daytona Beach wings. We got these from Hooters, and then these are the Chipotle honey wings. Both of them are good. My favorite from Hooters is the Daytona Beach wings. Those are really good. And then Dewan and DJ got a meat lovers pizza. So they it was good. They both really loved it. Meatballs, pepperoni, chicken, ham, bacon, all that's on it. So I consider that a meat lovers. Then we also got, well, I had some fries. Also, I already put them in the refrigerator. And these are the curly fries from Hooters. Also tried this wine. It's the Lovely U100, and this is the Rose California. It's supposed to have like, I think it said watermelon and citrus. So this one is 100 calories per serving and no sugar. I rather just have the calories. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't like this. I ended up pouring the bottle out. Good morning. It is a beautiful day today here in Myrtle Beach. Our day 3 of our trip. And no one's really on the beach yet. I'm sure people will come a little later. It is, what is it? Is this Labor Day or Memorial Day? Oh, Labor Day. So happy Labor Day. I am sitting on the balcony eating my breakfast. I wonder if this is a house to rent. I wouldn't mind renting this house. They have their own pool, and you just walk right across the street to the beach. I'll check back in with you guys when we start our activities for today.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fun.
Hey guys, we are back at Paula Deens. We're about to eat lunch. Actually wanted to try something new. Hey DJ. But Daddy does not want to change our tradition of eating lunch before we leave every single time at Paula Deens. So we are back again. Huh? Oh, you can use your debit card? Oh, okay. Let me see. Yeah, it's ducks and fish. This, look at these over here. It stink over here too. Oh, I don't think they're not doing the speedboat.
Those fish are like, give me some.
We were gonna do the speedboats. Ew, look at that his whole body right there.
Can you move your phone from right there? You drop it.
That's just nasty. Look at that one, not even in the water. He's just over on top of all the fish. Watch this.
So you're not gonna look at it? I'm talking to your neighbor.
Look at that.
That's kind of
Oh, the duck. Oh, we need to feed the duck. Throw it over there to the ducks. They want some too. Throw it all the way to the ducks.
They argue.
That is so nasty. Give it to the ducks.
Whoa.
Oh, is that it? We didn't feed the ducks enough.
Maybe they still hungry.
But they're still waiting for more food. Here is the menu, and we're getting to choose 3 meats. We're getting the southern fried chicken, the spare ribs, and the meatloaf, the old-fashioned southern meatloaf. And for the sides, we're gonna get the green beans, fried, fresh candied yams, broccoli casserole, and baked mac and cheese. And for dessert, the ooey gooey butter cake and the seasonal cobbler. Oh no, we're ready to order. Oh, these rolls are very fresh today. Alright, so Dawn got the blueberry lemonade. I got the sweet tea, and DJ got mellow yellow. Hey y'all, I'm trying the cheddar biscuits. This is actually my first time eating these, although I've been here forever, because this has gluten in it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit because they look so good. And let's pray that I am safe and healthy after I eat this. If you like Red Lobster, you'll like these. The biscuits at Red Lobster, you'll like these. I don't think it was worth my life. But how do you like them, Daddy?
It is definitely better than Red Lobster biscuits.
I don't think
They're fire.
DJ, what did you think of the biscuits?
I don't know. It tasted like cheese.
Yeah, it definitely has cheese in it. Would you eat it again?
No.
Yeah, me either. I'm not risking my life. So this is the meatloaf. It also has onion rings on top. Sweet potatoes, green beans, mac and cheese, broccoli casserole, and the ribs. Mustang week. Look at all these Mustangs out here. that was good. We're trying the Ricciardi's Italian ice, and the one has strawberry, and then I have cherry and green apple. You want to try my green apple? The green apple is the best. Why are yours so hard? Just good. You got strawberry. This cherry is good too, but I wish I would have put the cherry on the top.
It's better than Rita's.
The green apple is. I'm going to try my cherry right here. Both of mine are better. It's better. We are leaving the outlet, and this time we're really about to go home, guys. Come on, let's cross the street, DJ. Did you have a good time, DJ?
Yeah.
What was your favorite? Come back here when I'm trying to talk to you, boy. What was your favorite part? Ocean, eating, or what?
Ocean.
Ocean? Yeah, me too. I got some good footage of me riding the waves. We are about to head home, so I hope you guys enjoyed our video. I tried to record as much as I could remember to record. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace out. Mwah.
There's so much